Ganito siya ka-detail. See that, guys? Ganyan ka-detail yung building Burj Khalifa. Hi guys! Welcome to our channel, Chrissy and Joe, and Joe and Chrissy USA. Yeah. We're here in Dubai Mall, guys, or Dubai Park. Dubai Burj Khalifa Park.
Khalifa Park, right?
Yeah. Dubai Burj Khalifa Park. Yeah. Nasa paanan kami ng Burj. Hi, honey.
There it is.
Okay. It's nice here. It's nice on the video. Hi, honey. Hi, guys. Welcome to Joe and Chris in USA channel. What's that? That is dates. Ganito siya ka-detail yung building na to. See that, guys? Ganyan ka-detail yung building ng Dubai Burj Khalifa. We're here in Dubai Burj Khalifa Park. Also the address. Dito tayo. Honey, here. This side. So you know, guys, that building is the address. Para siyang barko. It looks like a ship. You can see from here. I will try to zoom it. Kung kaya siya.
Ayan guys, yung nakikita nyo, glass slide, tourist spot din yan.
Ayan, yung Dubai na ay yung the address. That's the address building. Hindi makita yung kabilang building yan. Twin building yan na magkarugtong. Kasi, natatabunan itong building na tong isa.
Sa sobrang tayog ng mga building na to, sasakit talaga yung liig nyo, kakatingala.
Ay ko po. Honey, be careful there, yeah? Hello, honey.
Hi, honey. Woo! Sweaty.
Okay.
900 degrees out here.
Okay. Let's go find a way, go to mall. I think here.
You said walk by, I noticed that.
Yeah.
Grabe dahil summer na summer, pawis na pawis kami dalawa dito. Nag-stop over kami sa isang supermarket at nagpalamig, tsaka kami lumakad ulit. Now, lakad ulit papuntang Dubai Mall kasi malayo-layo tong lakad na to eh. Naligaw-ligaw pa kami.
Want a picture of us?
Yeah. Hi guys! So after namin mamasyal sa labas, sa kainitan, we're here now, eating in Dubai Mall. Grabe. We're sweaty as hell.
You know where I went to the bathroom, you know, when I washed my hands, I splashed water on my face and neck, so it really helped.
It really helps. It's very hot
So I
outside.
feel a lot better.
Parang mauubos yung energy mo sa labas. So, that's how very hot outside this summer, guys. Pero we don't have choice kasi ito yung bakasyon namin. Gusto ko lang siyang ilibot kasi nung December din niya na yung nalibot eh. Dahil nakulangan din kami sa oras. Gabi na kami pumunta dito. So now is our date night. Ayan eh.
Dinner time.
Dinner time.
And air conditioning time.
Yeah, medyo na-relax kami. We're about just relaxing for a while and then we're going home after this.
Thank you for watching.